Yes, my dear friends. So, hope you all are well. So, today, just I will say, which is very common, this chapter, and you are daily listening about this. You are listening about this chapter. Very common, I mean to say, what is that? That is the political parties. So, when just you will go through the civics, or if you do not go through the civics, you don't have any interest there in political science, even though you will listen in your area, you will listen there through this TV, you will listen through this different political people, political parties, your friends regarding this. The political parties are doing this, political parties are not able to do this. So, this is very important. This has now very common part of our life, this political parties or politics. Okay, many are there who don't like it, or many are there who likes it. So, this is today we will go through this, the political parties. Now, why we need the political parties? Why we need the political parties? What is the need of this one? See, when there is the system of government, the system of government, there is this democratic form of government, there is somewhere the king, somewhere there is the dictator. So, when just we will talk about this, then certainly then at that very time these parties will come. At the time there the parties will come, and it is very important for our part, for our country, because we have the system of the democratic form of government here in India. Earlier there was something else, the Britishers were ruling here on us. So, the constitution, the political parties were no needed there at that time, when just we have got the freedom. And I am sometimes just might have told you there, our country, when we were this captive of these Britishers, our target was, our issue was, our problem was to get the freedom from these Britishers. But nowadays, when the Britishers had left, now there is the problem that so I was talking about this, the political parties. So, when the political party, when just our country, I was talking about this, when just we were captive, there was the rule of these Britishers. We were much more worried how this Britishers should go. Britishers have gone now. Now the responsibility has come on us. Now we have different issues, different problems, different type of this either political or economic or many more. So, now just we have thought, when just our country became this democratic, then we have now the system of how just we will maintain, how we will rule this government country, so that we should develop, will just progress. So, this political party have now come, then how we will rule? No one single rule will not be there. When say big country is there, if just one dictatorship or dictator is there, or any one king is there, it will be very difficult for him or her to run the country, Britishers, and that was the separate rule that you might have gone through this there in the history. So, I will just talk about this only political parties. When this democratic form of government came, the political parties has now come up there in the country, and there was the need of this one, and for that, when just we thought we brought these political parties, then what has happened? There it was needed. Three components are there of this. First is the leader, second is the active members, the followers, and opposition and ruling. Okay, so the political parties, the leaders are very important. Who is or are leading us? Who is or are leading us? Because leader is, or maybe one or more there, but when just we are talking here in this democratic form of government, the leader, if maybe many leaders there, different political parties are there, all the different political parties are having the different leaders, different heads, but when just we are talking about the leaders, it means if just you are there in the ruling party, your leaders are or is who is at the topmost level here in the Prime Minister. Below then there is the Home Minister, there is the Defence Minister, there is the Law Minister, many more ministers are there. But who is the supreme leader there in the country? The Prime Minister here, because we have selected him, we have elected him to this post. So leaders are what leaders are doing? Leaders are leading us. What is, they are trying to just teach us what is the politics, how just we can come there to the top level. There is also likewise when we are here in the school and class and colleges, just someone is to teach us, someone is to guide us, how you will go to just a better engineer, best engineer, which line just you want to go. So same type of things are there here in this politics also. So this component, in this component, this leader is the most important part of the politics. Leader is the most important part of the political parties. So he or she is very important. Now the active members, if you are the leader, is it possible just to be able to run the country smoothly? No, you cannot, because you need the support hand, you need your supporter. So active members are there. Leaders will be one of the country or your area. Leaders will be one of any party, but many more leaders there. You may be the chief of the party. Leaders many more there. You may be the chief, you may be the supreme. So that is separate issue, but here the leaders, and below the leaders there are the active members. They are also the leader. After some day she will be the leader, because they are being taught by this leader there. This leader is giving you the training, active members, how just you will bring the people towards you, अपने तरफ कैसे लाओगे आप. So this leader is trying to educate these active members, and after some time this active member will be coming somehow the leaders. Now the followers, there are leaders. First is the leader, second is the active members, and this third is the followers. If the followers are not there, followers may be in lakhs and crores. If the followers are not there, then how just you will make your party stable. So followers are also very essential. Then this is the third part, followers. Followers who will follow you, who will instruct your instruction, follow your instruction. This ruling and opposition, two parties are there. Ruling party, who there is in the administration, who there is in the administration, and second one is the opposition, who those are not. There are two party. Right now, just putting the example, I am trying to explain this one to you. Right now, the BJP government there is in the country, and ruling party is, which is the ruling party? BJP. Ruling party is BJP, and opposition Indian National Congress. So this Congress is taken, this Congress, BJP and Congress. So this ruling party, which has majority more than 2/3 there in the house, so this party has the ruling, BJP has the ruling, BJP is eligible to rule, and opposition, which is, and that party next below than this ruling party, next lower than this opposition ruling party. So next party, just who is there, which is there? Congress. So how many parties should we have? See, when just we are talking about this democratic form of government, there is no limitations. You are watching, and I have told you many times also, there are more than 1200 parties have written this year. More than 1200 parties here in this country. Because there is no any limit there on that. No, you cannot make just more than such and such. So more than 1200, all are not alive, but registrations along with or with the election commission has how many? 1200 parties are there in the country. So parties certainly may be more. If parties will not be more than one, then just we cannot say there is the democratic. If it is not one party system, one party, two party, and many party, or third, three and many more, 3 plus more party. So one party system and 2 party system and 3 party and many more there. So what we are calling this? More than one party system. There is the alliance. There is the alliance. Just you could not come there in the house, but if your alliance is, if your supporters are there more than this single party, certainly if right now this BJP is there in the government, but any day if just your majority is more than 2/3, then what will happen? This BJP will come down and Congress will come there. Second number per who is there? Congress will come. So parties may be many more, but when just you will form the ministry, you will be along with someone. If you have brought alone, if you have achieved, if you have received the number of candidate, number of MPs more than 2/3, then what will be there? You will be the ruling party and you are ruling. Nowadays, this national political parties and state parties, regional parties are there. So national party, what is this national party? National party, this is doing the politics. Activities are there at the national level, whole country level. So this is called the national party. But some parties are maybe at the state level. So we are calling this is the state party. Maybe some party is in 1 or 2 states. That is the state party or regional party. some party is there which is maybe in 2-3 states. So national party almost try to represent throughout the country. A national party is trying to represent throughout the country. So they are, this party, national party is mostly coming there on the administration, coming there on number 1, because much more, many more parties are there with, and number of voters are with them. People are much more with this national party. Why they are there with? It depends on the manifesto. Why just people will cast the vote for you? So there is the manifesto. So this Congress, BJP, Communist, NCP, these are almost coming under the national parties, which have the representation more than one state and percentage is more. There is the ratio, how much percentage, how many 6%, how many MP, MLA should be there, and then you will be the national parties likewise. So formula is there. Now NCP, BSP, NCPI, BJP, Congress and Communist, these are the national party. State party and this regional party, this regional party may be in 1 or 2 states. Now, how parties can be reformed? And one more thing, just I want to explain this one here also. This single party, one party system, 2 party. Suppose here in our country multi-party system is there, but you might have gone through this one party system. In our country it is not. Take the example of this China. One party system is there. Now just we will take the example of this 2 party system. This America, Britain, there are 2 party only, Labour and Conservative party. So this type of things, but here in our country this is multi-party system. In our country there is the multi-party system. So how can parties be reformed? How it can be reformed? Then I will tell you this single and partnership. This how can parties be reformed? Suppose you are from BJP, you are from Congress, you are from Communist, someone is the leader, you are the president of that party. If your party is performing better and better, you will stay there. If under your guidance, BJP chief, if under your guidance, just president is there, BJP president is there, if just you are, and there is also system there. In BJP there will be also the president changing after 5 years. Likewise the prime minister is changing. So this BJP has also the systems, and almost all in parties it is being. So Congress also have the system after each 5 years, each and every after 5 years they are also changing their leaders. Why they are changing their leaders? Because they are not satisfied with you. They are not satisfied with you. The performance of the parties are going down by down daily or day by day. How just we are coming to know, how just we understand? Numbers of voters are, percentage of the voters are coming down. So just what will be there? Just you will be removed. You may be removed in between also, but mostly they are the party leader for 5 years. So how can parties be reformed? Now, if just you are not able to maintain it, if your percentage is going day by day, what will happen? You will be automatically have to sometimes resign, or you will be asked by the leaders, because performance is not better, so please leave the chair. Please leave the chair, and you will have to leave the chair. So another, just maybe the president, another just reformation will be take place, and that organization will be the separate, means different and new system. This issue is also there in political parties. These manifestos are very important, because when the election takes place, you have some issues, you are trying to convince the people, or people means voters of the country towards you. So when the election is declared, this manifesto is one issue, manifesto is one point, you are releasing this one. When this election will be declared, each and every party is or are releasing their manifesto. Manifesto means what will you do for the people of the country, people and voters of the country, if you are coming there in the power. You became the chief minister, you became the prime minister. So what will you do for the people of the country? What will you do for the people of the state? What new change you will bring there? So this is called the manifesto. One hot issue at the time, just I remind you, Prime Minister, our Prime Minister was the Chief Minister of Gujarat earlier. When he tried to come to center, he has come there at the very time, he told regarding this manifesto, not manifesto, earlier, if I will come there in the ministry, if the BJP will come, then we will just put some money, lakhs of money in each and everyone's account. What is right, what is wrong, I cannot say about that, but Janata, people of the country, told. When the chief minister came, all the times this Congress is making the noise. Now you have just achieved to this post, you now is the prime minister of the country, and where is the money to be deposited in our account? Okay, friends, thank you.